Have you ever purchased a deep conditioner, got it home, did your hair, and was like, what the heck? I know, me too. So I got some solution for you guys because listen, we're living in a day and age where inflation is now sky high and nobody wants to be wasting money on products. Now you might say, oh, I could just take it back. What if you went to a hair show or something where you purchased a deep conditioner and you can't return it because you know, the event's over? I got you. So I'm going to be sharing 5 ways that you can make a mediocre or a bad conditioner better. Number 1, which is mix in some of a good quality deep conditioner with it. You might say, well, won't all those ingredients kind of like interact? For the most part, no. Your deep conditioner's sole purpose is to infuse your hair with hydration, as well as some, nutrients and things that can help support the health of your hair. However, and maybe hairstylists might disagree, people with like degrees in cosmetology or something, but I've actually done this and it works just fine. Take some of a good quality deep conditioner, mix up that with a not so great deep conditioner, the not so great deep conditioner, and it will help make it a little bit better. Listen, the goal is to just not waste your money. You don't want to have to throw that deep conditioner out after you didn't spend like $20 on it or something like that. No, just try mixing in one of your other deep conditioners that you do like, and I'm telling you, it'll make it that much better. And the second way that you can improve a mediocre deep conditioner, make a bad conditioner better, deep conditioner, is to add herbs to it. I'm talking, there's so many different herbs that you could add to the deep conditioner to make it better. It really depends on what you're looking to make that deep conditioner do. So for example, if that deep conditioner is not giving your hair the moisture that it needs, add a little bit of aloe vera powder to it. Want to make your deep conditioner a little bit more strengthening and, so kind of balancing it out with the moisture, add herbs like fenugreek or henna or cassia to it. Just simply adding herbs to your deep conditioner can make it so much better when that sucker is just not performing. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Michelle, Fine Natural Hair and Faith on the blog and all around the globe. I am here sharing all the tips and tricks that I can possibly share with you guys to help you with your fine hair. Now, the third way that you can boost that deep conditioner and make it better is by adding essential oils to it. Very similar to adding herbs, adding essential oils to your deep conditioner can really help it in a number of ways. Again, it's about knowing what properties that essential oil has to kind of make the efficiency of the deep conditioner better. So for example, let's say you're looking to make your deep conditioner more stimulating for the scalp. You could add peppermint oil, you could add tea tree oil, you could add rosemary, lavender. All of these things can help stimulate the scalp for hair growth. It's just all depends on what you're looking to have that deep conditioner do. And if it made any claims that it didn't live up to, I'm pretty sure you can find an essential oil that can make that deep conditioner live up to what it says it's supposed to do. The fourth way that you can improve that deep conditioner that sucks, is to add a single natural oil to it. Something like avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, argan oil. While these oils will help with promoting moisture retention in your hair through the deep conditioner, they also add slip. Your deep conditioner that you have that you're trying to improve upon, especially if you're watching this video, then I think you might be interested in doing this. For sure, a single natural oil like one of the ones that I listed can help you achieve that. And remember, your deep conditioner's primary focus is to help hydrate your hair. So on wash day, if you're finding that that's not the case, adding those oils, while it does add slip also to the products, it will also help you with that moisture retention. Olive oil is known to do that. Avocado oil is known to do that. You just gotta kind of have to see how much oil to add. You may need, depending on your hair length and density, you may need to add a tablespoon. You may need to add 2 tablespoons. It really is something you have to kind of test it out. You always start with less and add more as you need it. So now, you excited for the 5th one? I gotcha. Add in some of an Ayurvedic oil to your deep conditioner that's mediocre. Now, I really don't like using the word Ayurvedic. I really don't. I'm going to leave a link to an article that I wrote some time ago down in the description box below concerning why I don't like the word Ayurvedic and why I don't attribute anything to Ayurveda. However, for lack of a word that I'm not coming up with a good word based on the product that I'm talking about, I guess I could say herbal hair oil. But the problem with that is there are products on the market titled herbal hair oils, and they really don't have much more than essential oils in them. So while, like I said, essential oil is something that you can use to boost that mediocre deep conditioner, that is not what I'm talking about for this 5th tip. It really has to be something with, this is kind of hard. So this is why I'm using the word Ayurvedic oil, because Ayurvedic oils contain some powerful and potent herbs that have been infused into the oil blend for a long period of time. These are herbs like henna, amla, neem, ashwagandha. There's so many like really potent herbs that are infused into another oil that over, let's say, this infusion could be taking place over months. It could be taking place over weeks. When you purchase it, you really don't know how long the herbs were sitting inside of the oil. But what you do know is that that particular blend of oil with herbs in it is very potent, and it really can help boost. I mean, it could literally put your deep conditioner on steroids. So that is it for the 5 ways that you can boost a mediocre deep conditioner, a really bad deep conditioner, and make it so much better. Which one of these resonated with you, and will you be trying any of these tips? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and remember to make God your only source. Bye, guys.